I've owned this Magic Bullet for over 6 years. If you're a big coffee fan, this product will actually help freshen up the coffee, grinding your coffee beans or regrinding your coffee grounds. While you're running it, make sure you don't run it more than 10 seconds. A good suggestion is to make sure before you clean it is to unplug it. If your unit gets loud in the morning, especially in the home with family members and they're getting annoyed, here's an easy fix. You do have the option to replace out your cross blade base, and you have the option of multiple blades. It normally comes with a gasket. You can give it in different kits. Here I'm showing you how easy it is to just swap it out. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.